Hey everyone, this is your girl Tracy. I'm gonna show you how to upload an image and turn it into an SVG file and to print out on your Cricut design space. First, we're gonna go into New Projects, and we're gonna hit before we hit upload. We're gonna go and find the image. Okay. So I put Fly Black Girl SVG. It's best to put an SVG behind the image. So some of these images are owned by people, like for Etsy. So you're gonna try to find a free one. So let's find something that's free. That's Etsy. So we're just gonna find an image, okay? Let's see. Okay, we're just gonna use this as for purposes of instructions. So when you see the image, you're gonna go right click. You're gonna say image as. And it's going to be a PNG file, and you're going to save it into where you want it. I usually have it in pictures. I always save it in pictures. So, you're going to save it in pictures. Hit save. And we're going to click over here, and we're going to go to design space. This is the upload button. You're going to upload the image. So, you're going to go right here, click upload image, and you're going to browse. So we're going to find the picture that we downloaded. Sorry about that. It's going to be a while. Okay. We're going to find that picture that we uploaded. Okay. You see, I downloaded a lot of pictures. So, where's the picture? Sometimes. Okay, they go to image. You're going to click on the image, and you're going to open it. And you're going to hit complex. Because you got moderate complex. Simple details of color and contrast. Always use complex. It's just simple and easy for me to do. So you're going to click on that. And here up here is your selected erase. You're going to turn this background into white. Because if you leave it white, I'm going to show you. Okay, undo it. So when you hit preview, the Cricut gonna think, hold on, sorry about that. So when you did a preview, the Cricut's gonna be like this is an image to cut. So you're gonna make it into an SVG file so it can cut. So you're gonna hide the preview, and you're gonna take your tool right here, and you're gonna click on the box to turn everything white in the background. And you're going to hit preview and see it's ready to cut. So, and it's not telling you this is all black. So you're going to cut off this image. So you're going to hit on continue. This is a printed cut. If you want to do a print on printable vinyl. And this is when you're going to do regular vinyl. And you're going to click on this. And you're going to save. And it's up in your recent uploading images. You're going to click on that. And you're going to hit insert images into design space. So you can make it bigger. You can change the color right here. You can change it right here. You can change it right here to any color. You can duplicate it right here and cut it. So after you find the exact colors that you want, you're going to hit make it. So you're going to load your image on the mat, and you're going to use your vinyl. And so this is the trick. Make sure you're down a little bit down. So when you cut, it's not going to cut off your image. So you're going to hit continue. And make sure your machine is on. And it's set to vinyl. See, I'm not connected to my machine yet. So that's how you turned a upload image and turn it into an SVG file. This is Tracy. Bye.